Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use virtual card on Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first things first is you need to open up your Cash App mobile application, and from here we need to access our wallet. So your wallet is located at the bottom section there. Go ahead and click on it and you should be able to see the Cash Card page for Cash App. In this case, you need to first get your free cash card here, and once you click on the button, you might need to complete some information and verification. So complete the whole process here and you should be able to receive your card in a matter of days or weeks. Now, once you've received your card, you are now ready to start using it. In this case, make sure that you activate your card first by clicking activate here. And once you've activated it, you should be able to see your card. So typically your card should have the blurred info or blurred page on it. So in which case you won't be able to see your information immediately. Now usually on the card section or in this page here, you should see a three-dotted icon. Go ahead and click on it and this pop-up here should appear on your screen. Now in this case, make sure that you enable the show card cash card info here. Just click on close, and from here on you should be able to get your card info, which in this case you could go ahead and start using it for any transactions that you want, like for example on Amazon or eBay. So in this case, just provide your details there and confirm any of the following details that they need. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.